case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The trooper Kevin Kiefer was accused of targeting Jose Aguilar and Irma Esparza based on their race and ethnicity in the 2002 case, Farm Labor Organizing Committee v. Ohio State Highway Patrol. Kiefer detained the plaintiffs' green cards for 4 days without probable cause, a violation of their Fourth and 14th Amendment rights. The district court denied Kiefer's motion for summary judgment based on qualified immunity and granted partial summary judgment to the plaintiffs. Furthermore, a preliminary injunction was issued against the Ohio State Highway Patrol, ordering them to cease questioning motorists about immigration status without consent or reasonable suspicion, refraining from seizing immigration documents without lawful cause, and providing effective substitutes for any seized documents. The plaintiffs ultimately won their case, as Trooper Kiefer was found to have violated their Fourth and 14th Amendments. The court held that Kiefer was denied qualified immunity for his violations, and the case was remanded for further proceedings consistent with this opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.